Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 3-bedroom detached property with a study and integral garage. This is Byrneham from taylorwimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Ripon, Harrogate. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor, you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite, common family bathroom and a study. So this is kind of like a 4-bed property, but they like to call it as a 3-bed with a study. So you will be stepping inside the living room straight away. There's some kind of storage coming in the front, which I'll share with you all later. So the living comes in the front and you have access towards the first floor and the kitchen and the dining which come behind. Now the space in the living room looks okay. You have a window towards the front, so plenty of light falls in the living space. But again, it depends on how you plan this living space. If you plan a sofa towards the window side and the television towards the opposite side on the wall, the room might look a little more bigger. So through this living room, now moving towards the kitchen and the dining which are coming at the back. It's a nice kitchen with the dining space. Towards one side you have this lengthy worktop with the electric cooking and plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. You also have this wide French door access towards the garden behind. So plenty of light falls in the kitchen space. But apart from these French doors, I didn't find any additional window in this kitchen. So you just have these French doors for the ventilation and light. The space is really good in the kitchen. You can plan a nice dining table like this and you get really good room space to walk around. And towards the other side, they have planned the integrated fridge freezer and also the double oven. So towards the other end of the kitchen and dining, you also have access towards the integral garage and the washroom. Let's check out the washroom. This is the washroom which is coming in the ground floor. The space looks quite okay. You have the water closet sink and they gave a nice window. So plenty of light falls in this washroom. And I also like the space which they selected to give this washroom. It's coming towards the corner end. And just beside this washroom, you also have access towards the garage. So this is the integral garage which is attached to the property. There's plenty of space inside this garage. You can plan some kind of storage in here. So we covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite, a common family bathroom and a study. So exploring the master bedroom of the house. So this is the master bedroom. It's a double bedroom. Well, it's actually slightly bigger than the regular double bedrooms. You can plan a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. There's a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. And towards the other side of the bedroom, they have planned the wardrobes and you also have access towards the ensuite, which I'll be sharing with you all later. Now exploring the ensuite. So even towards the other side, you're getting a small window, so light falls on both the sides. The space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and there's a nice window. Now just opposite to the ensuite, they have planned the wardrobes here. The space looks quite okay. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to plan the wardrobes towards the other side of the wall, you can do that. You'll get a much bigger wardrobe. Overall, a nice bedroom with really good style and comfort. Now moving towards the other rooms in the property. So just beside the master bedroom, you have the small room coming. This is a study. So you can plan it as a single bedroom, study, workspace, anything you want to. They still gave a window even in this room, so the ventilation is good. Now within this study, they also gave some additional storage space here. You can plan some kind of storage in here, or you can hang the coats and stuff like that. They also gave a separate door and lock. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. So this is slightly smaller than the master bedroom. You can plan a single bed like this and you get decent room space to walk around. There's a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. They also managed to plan a wardrobe in this room, but if you don't plan a wardrobe, the room looks much bigger. And beside the second bedroom, you're getting the common family bathroom. Again, the space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they gave a nice window. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. They gave two windows. Towards one side you have this double window and towards the other side you have a single window. So plenty of light falls in this bedroom. And towards the front you can plan the entire wall with the wardrobes, and this is going inside the wall without occupying the additional room space. We covered all the rooms in the property. Overall, a nice property with really good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.